Seniors, please do this before bed or your muscles will keep disappearing. As you age, you're losing 3 to 8% of your muscle mass every decade after age 30. By age 70, you've lost up to 40%. That's nearly half your strength gone. But here's what 99% of seniors don't know. While you sleep tonight, your body will cannibalize its own muscle tissue for fuel. 8 hours of starvation, 8 hours of breakdown. This is happening to 47 million Americans over 65 right this second. The medical industry calls it sarcopenia, but they won't tell you the cure costs less than your morning coffee. 1 in 3 seniors will fall this year because of muscle weakness. Half won't survive the next 12 months after a major fall. These aren't just statistics. This could be you. But here's the shocking truth they don't want you to know. What if I told you that pharmaceutical companies have been suppressing this information because it's too simple and too cheap? The muscle loss epidemic among seniors generates billions in healthcare costs. But number one food that could reverse muscle loss by up to 78% costs just $3. Tonight we're exposing the secret foods that work like medicine while you sleep. In this video, we will reveal 4 special foods that rebuild muscle while you sleep. The number one food is so powerful, eating it before bed can add 10 years to your independent life. Before we begin, I have 2 questions for you. Have you noticed your strength declining even though you're trying to stay active? Are you worried about losing your independence as you age? We're reading and replying to each and every comment with personalized tips and advice. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now, without any further ado, let's start with number 8 because even this basic food can begin reversing the damage tonight. Chapter 1. Greek Yogurt. As you sleep, your body can actually break down muscle tissue if it doesn't have the right fuel. This silent process, called nighttime muscle catabolism, can sneak up on seniors like a health time bomb. And here's the hero that can help stop it: Greek yogurt. Why Greek yogurt is special? Greek yogurt isn't just another dairy product. It's thick, creamy, and loaded with muscle-protecting protein. But not just any protein, it's rich in casein, a slow-digesting type that releases amino acids into your bloodstream for hours. That means while you sleep, your muscles are still getting fed, reducing the risk of them breaking down. Greek yogurt doesn't just protect muscles, it supports whole body health. It's a natural source of calcium, strengthens bones, reducing fracture risk. Probiotics, keeps your gut healthy, which can improve nutrient absorption. B vitamins, essential for energy production and nerve function. For seniors, these benefits are like adding extra armor against the everyday wear and tear of aging. How to use Greek yogurt before bed. Here's the secret: timing matters. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, have a small bowl of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can mix it with a few berries for antioxidants, or a drizzle of honey if you want a touch of sweetness. Avoid heavily sweetened flavored yogurts. Sugar spikes before bed can mess with sleep quality. This little ritual can become your bedtime shield against muscle loss. Many seniors think eating before bed is bad, but the truth is, if you choose the right food, it can be one of the best things you do for your health. Skipping protein at night leaves your muscles fasting for 8+ hours. For someone over 60, that's like leaving your garden without water during a heat wave. Greek yogurt keeps the watering going until morning. Greek yogurt isn't just food, it's a quiet, powerful nighttime ally in your fight to keep muscles strong after 60. Think of it as giving your body a loving goodnight hug from the inside. Chapter 2. Cottage Cheese. After 60, the process of sarcopenia, gradual muscle breakdown, can speed up, especially during the hours you're asleep.
Why?
Because your muscles need a steady supply of amino acids to repair and rebuild. If they don't get them, they start taking from your own reserves. Here's where a humble, old-fashioned food becomes a nighttime game-changer: cottage cheese. Why cottage cheese is a muscle saver. Cottage cheese might not be flashy, but it's a nutritional powerhouse. Like Greek yogurt, it's rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and releases amino acids steadily through the night. This means your muscles get a drip feed of nutrition for up to 7 hours, keeping them in repair mode instead of breakdown mode. Think of it like setting up an overnight muscle for, only it's coming from your evening snack, not a hospital. Beyond its muscle-protecting power, cottage cheese delivers calcium, supports bone density and prevents osteoporosis. Phosphorus, crucial for energy production in your cells. B12 and riboflavin help with nerve function and energy metabolism. This makes it a triple threat. It strengthens bones, preserves muscle, and keeps your nervous system running smoothly. Cottage cheese is often easier to digest than other dairy products. Many older adults can enjoy it without the bloating or discomfort that sometimes comes from milk. And for those watching blood sugar, it's naturally low in carbs and won't cause a nighttime spike. How to make it a bedtime habit. About an hour before sleep, try a half cup of low-fat or full-fat cottage cheese. You can pair it with sliced peaches for a natural sweetness, a sprinkle of cinnamon for blood sugar support, a small handful of walnuts for healthy fats and extra satiety. Avoid adding high sugar toppings. You want to keep your body in a calm, repair-focused state. For years, we've been told eating at night is bad. But for seniors, strategic nighttime eating can be the secret to maintaining independence. Every year after 60, we lose about 3 to 8% of our muscle mass if we don't fight back. That's not just about looking strong, it's about being able to climb stairs, lift groceries, or get up from a chair without help. Cottage cheese is your quiet, reliable partner in that fight. Chapter 3: Salmon. Now imagine having a food so rich in healing nutrients that it doesn't just feed your muscles, it actively repairs and fortifies them while you rest. That food is salmon. Why salmon is more than just healthy fish. Salmon isn't only about protein, though it's certainly packed with it. What makes salmon stand out is its omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These powerful fats do something extraordinary. They reduce inflammation in your muscles, making it easier for your body to rebuild them after daily wear and tear. Salmon brings more to the table than just omega-3s. High-quality protein fuels muscle rebuilding. Vitamin D supports muscle strength and bone density. Selenium helps protect your cells from oxidative stress. Potassium assists in preventing nighttime muscle cramps. When you combine these nutrients, you have a food that's like a complete muscle maintenance kit in one delicious package. How to use salmon as a nighttime ally. While eating a full salmon dinner right before bed might feel heavy, there's a better way. Have a light portion of baked or poached salmon at dinner, a couple of hours before sleep. Pair it with leafy greens for magnesium, helps muscles relax, and a small portion of complex carbs like quinoa to support protein uptake. Avoid heavy sauces or fried preparations. They can interfere with sleep quality. For those who prefer something lighter, even a small salmon salad in the evening can provide the amino acids and omega-3s your body will use overnight. Why this matters more after 60. Research shows that omega-3s can actually boost the effectiveness of protein in stimulating muscle growth in older adults. That means salmon isn't just giving you protein, it's making that protein work harder for you. For someone over 60, that's like upgrading from a regular battery to a high-capacity one for your muscles. Salmon isn't a fad food. It's a timeless, nutrient-dense choice that works silently in the background, keeping you strong when your body is most vulnerable. At night, while you sleep, salmon's nutrients stand guard, ensuring that when morning comes, your muscles are still ready to carry you through your day. Chapter 4: Whole eggs. Why whole eggs are a muscle champion. When people think of protein, they often think of egg whites. But the real magic for seniors happens when you eat the whole egg. The white provides high-quality protein, but the yolk is packed with muscle-supporting nutrients you simply can't get from the white alone. Vitamin D, essential for muscle strength and bone health. Choline supports nerve function, which is crucial for muscle coordination. Healthy fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. B vitamins, important for energy metabolism. Whole eggs are especially powerful when eaten in the evening because they contain complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need. The fat in the yolk slows digestion, providing a more gradual release of nutrients while you sleep. They stabilize blood sugar, preventing nighttime crashes that can wake you up or interfere with repair processes. It's like putting your muscles on an automatic maintenance program every night. How to add whole eggs to your nighttime routine. If a heavy dinner doesn't sit well, whole eggs can be a lighter but still nutrient-rich choice. Here are a few bedtime-friendly ideas. A simple vegetable omelette with spinach and mushrooms for extra magnesium and antioxidants. Hard-boiled eggs as a quick, no-fuss snack an hour before bed. Poached eggs on a slice of whole-grain toast for a balanced mini-meal. Avoid frying in heavy oils or butter late at night. That can make digestion harder and disrupt sleep. Instead, opt for boiling, poaching, or light scrambling. Many older adults avoid egg yolks because they've heard they're bad for cholesterol. But research now shows that for most people, eating whole eggs has little to no effect on heart disease risk. In fact, the nutrients in eggs can improve your HDL, which helps protect your heart. Whole eggs are nature's perfect muscle food. They're not processed, not artificial, and they work in harmony with your body's natural repair cycle. Think of them as the complete toolbox that your muscles quietly reach for every night, ensuring that each morning you wake up just a little bit stronger than the day before. Here's the reality. After 60, your body naturally loses muscle faster than it can replace it, unless you step in and help. This isn't just about strength. Losing muscle means losing balance, losing independence, and sometimes even losing your ability to do the things you love. It's a health time bomb ticking quietly in the background of everyday life. But here's the good news. You have the power to slow it down, or even reverse it, with the right nighttime nutrition. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods will you try first this week? Have you noticed a difference in your strength when you eat protein at night? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to take that first step. And if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe for more tips designed especially for strong, healthy living after 60.